Hello guys, welcome to a video in the React series Practical Coding Interview Questions with Answers. One of the most common interview questions you might be getting in coding interview is create an array, fetch its data and display the fetched data in a console window. As you can see in this example, I am fetching the data from an array and displaying it in the console window of the browser. This is a common interview questions you might be getting in any of the interview. In this video, let's learn to create an array and fetch its each element and display in a console window like this. Let's open the code editor first for this one. Here I have a dedicated component for this example. Within this functional component, I have a return statement which will display the title on our web page. If you preview this one in browser, you can observe only that content is appearing in the browser and there is no content which is being displayed in the console window. The first thing which we need to do here is we need to import the useEffect hook from the React library. This useEffect hook is crucial for handling the side effects in our functional component. Once you are done with importing the useEffect, then create one useEffect inside our functional component. This is the useEffect block within which we are going to write the logic for this example. As you can see here, we have a function here and an empty array. This is the empty dependency array. This ensures that this useEffect runs only once when the component mounts. It prevents unnecessary re-rendering and makes our code more efficient. Next step is inside this useEffect hook, we need to create an array. For that one, use constant myArray and let me add some of the values here. I will be adding 5 numbers within this array. This is the array which we are going to use in this example and print in our console window. Next step is we need to display each element of this array in our console window. For that one, we can make use of for-each method which is available in React.js. For that one, first we need to write array name, then dot for each. Within this one, we need to write a function. I'm using arrow function here, so let me define one arrow function. Within this one, this arrow function will take two parameters. One is element and another one is index. Element is nothing but it represents the current element in this array. For example, when we are going through this array, the 0th element will be 1 and first element will be 2. Similarly 3, 4, 5 on each iteration. And index will be the current position of this element in this array. As now we have written code for iterating through this array, the final step is we need to print this one in the console window. For that one, as we know, we have a console.log to print the content or text in a console window. Within this one, I will write some text element at index. Index is nothing but, as I said, it is the position. To this text, we are going to append the actual index or the position of this current element. For that one, we need to use dollar symbol and within the curly braces, we need to mention index as we are retrieving the index in this arrow function. And let me add one colon and then let's display the actual element which we are retrieving from this array. For that one, you can add element within the curly braces. So let's close this console window. That's it what we need to do. Now initially we have defined one array and by using for each method, we are iterating through this array and displaying each element by the help of console.log. Now let's save this component and go back to browser to preview the changes. Now you can see in the console window we got the text along with the index and number or the element of that particular array. This is one of the common interview questions in any coding or practical round you may get it. If you want answer or explanation for any interview question, please mention in the video comments. That's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.